From the Rural Radio Network, I'm Lacey Shippey with a look at what's happening in grain and livestock trade today. Grains are to the upside, soybeans leading the way. Live cattle and feeders as well are both down, taking hogs with them. And to discuss what's happening today, we've got Mike Zuzolo with Global Commodity Analytics. And Mike, tell me, let's start on the commodity side of things. Soybeans are looking very optimistic. Is this just some speculative buying here before all of the information comes out of DC?
Yeah, I think the Bears are experiencing some what I would call pre-report jitters at this point, Lacey. We don't have a lot of news right now. We did get weekly export sales from USDA for the first time in 2 months, essentially, but those are as of the end of September, and so they really didn't provide much direction. And so I think it gave the bulls a little bit more of an opportunity to run this market as high as they could heading into the report before the numbers come out. I did note that we came in and filled a gap up around 1135. That was a gap, I think, going back all the way to June or July of 2024. So we're hitting 16-month highs. Probably, in my mind, this is something we could talk more about at the channel final bell, but probably going to need to feed that bull on the report for soybeans. We've had a $1.35 run roughly since those October lows were made.
And we've seen such a wide varying amount of information as far as what the analysts expect for that report to say. It seems like nobody has quite the same numbers, and someone will be surprised no matter what it says tomorrow. But is it going to overall be a potentially very bullish report?
It could be either way, in my opinion, because we see the average trade guess giving us a lower yield versus the September WASDE, but the average ending stocks number for the United States actually goes up for both corn and beans. It's a very rare occurrence. It would suggest we've lost some demand, and those September stocks report numbers are getting pushed into the numbers overall as well.
And on the livestock side of things, we had such a positive start to our week with the rally and the limit up day, but it seems we can't hold that positivity in this market no matter what they try and do. Tell me a little bit about what the pressure's coming from today.
Yeah, I'm glad you framed it that way. We haven't yet taken out Monday's lows in D's fats or January feeders. I think the two biggest things that are going on is a surprise drop of almost $5 in the choice box beef price. That shouldn't be happening right here, right now. It looks like the round prices are the issue from the cutout view. Also, we've got the USDA Ag Secretary in Mexico, largest trade mission down there, and it is looking like they're going to talk screwworm again. So I think it's headline news, probably creating longs, liquidating out and flattening positions.
All right. Well, thank you, Mike. That is Mike Zuzolo with Global Commodity Analytics for a look at our markets today. I'm Lacey Shippey on the Rural Radio Network.